Hi, I'm Vinduisel Elaca from grade 5 Jose Rizal. Today, I will be solving for the volume of this rectangular box. To start off, I will measure the length, width, and height. The length of this rectangular box is 37 centimeters. The width of this box is 25 centimeters. And the height is 12 centimeters. Is 37 centimeters. And the width is 25 centimeters. And the height is 12 centimeters. Now, the formula for solving the volume of this rectangular prism is volume equals length times width times height. Now I will multiply the length and the width, which is 37 centimeters and then 25 centimeters. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 it makes 18. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. 7 plus 1 is 9. Now, I will multiply to 925 times 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. Bring down 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then plus 1, then it's 11. 9 plus 1 makes 11. So, the volume of this rectangular box is 11,100 cubic centimeters. Thank you.